Good evening, good morning, good night, ladies and freaking fricks. It is me, the real J freaking Fisher, back with another food review. Specifically, a chicken sandwich review. Okay, now with my last installment of the Sam's Club Southern style chicken sandwich. I'm back with a same food chain that I have reviewed one of their products before. Very anticipated food product back in the good old days where I used to be in a car. Now I'm in a room. One of my rockets is facing down, doing a nosedive. Let me fix that real quick. There we go. Sorry, that was just bothering me just a little bit. So, today we have the Colonel. The Colonel himself, Mr. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Slave owner himself. Sorry if you're offended by that. I did not mean to toward that by anybody. I'm sorry. Okay. So, let's see what we got. This is called the Crispy Colonel. Here, let me give you guys a look into the bag here. There it is. I got a number 12 combo, and or the Crispy Colonel combo. They do have a whatever it's called, a box or something special going on, where it's a Crispy Colonel box, where you get, I think, like some type of chicken bits or nuggets or something, and the sandwich itself, and some fries. And these fries, I don't think I've ever tried these before, which I'm super excited about, because, they always used to have the wedges, and so now they have fries. Here's a sandwich. It's very thick. It's, odd. I just got some napkins here, and one more little floater fry in there. Nothing else in the bag. The grease bag itself. So let's get this. Let's get this guy. Let's put him back there in the back somewhere, the foreground. Where can I put him? That looks like a good place to put him. I need some sort of adhesive. Here, let's get some tape. Okay. Now Colonel will forever be in this video, right there. There's Colonel right there. But yeah, we have the chicken sandwich here. The other food review that I was talking about from the same brand was the donut chicken sandwich, which was actually an experience, a good experience. I quite liked it. But yeah, so whoa, wayo, what's going on here? So right off the bat, you just got some mayo overload here. Yeah, that's, but first impressions, first look on that. That doesn't look half bad. That looks pretty delicious, pretty scrumptious, if I do say so myself. So, let's just start. Also, I got a Mountain Dew with my combo, not the Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. Gotta, I have to cleanse the palate first. Okay. Palate is cleansed. You know what? I want to try these fries real quick. I got a little dangler dangling off the back of the box here. I'll just take that one. Just do kind of like a pour shot here. So I don't know if these are new or not. I just haven't had them, so I'm just gonna call them new, at least for me. So new KFC secret recipe fries going in. I don't know if you guys can see that crispiness, but dang, these are good. They're nice and crispy. That's what I like. I like a crispy fry. If I can get my hands on a crispy fry, that's what I'm gonna go for. And yeah, these are really good. They're nice and soft in the middle. They're salty. I like salty stuff. And that's a really nice, just, it's not over greasy or oily. It's quite nice. I really like them. They're really good. But without any further hesitation, let's get to the main prize, the big boy. We're already at 8 minutes. That's way too long for a food review. I should have already been done, but it doesn't matter. It's gonna be a good one. So, the chicken sandwich. Let's go. So, I've actually never had this before, so this is gonna be a pure first impression. There's the money shot right there. There's mayonnaise, the pickle right there, and the chicken right there. I think that's where I'm gonna go for. So, yeah, KFC chicken sandwich number 12, the crispy kernel. Let's go. Let's just dig in here. Go ahead. Okay. I think I just need another bite, or actually cleanse the palate, because I got flavor in there, and texture. It's just that I just kind of got all pickles, because I think they didn't really spread out the pickles. They're just right there, so that was basically all the only flavor that I got. So actually, let me cleanse my palate. For another try. I'm gonna go here for the straight chicken bit right there, because it's not all just about the pickle review or the bread review or the mayonnaise review. So you know what? I like this chicken. This chicken on this sandwich is really nice. It's really seasoned. I think it has that signature KFC flavor. Sorry if you saw my projectile come out of my mouth. But the taste is so good, and the juiciness of this flavor, of this beautiful white meat there, it is nice. And the crispiness on the sandwich here is just on point. And it's really good. It's a little bit salty, but not overpowering. It's just got a good blend of seasonings on there. I think it's like 7 seasoning blends or something on the KFC chicken, I think. But yeah, it's really good. I haven't had a actual KFC chicken sandwich in a long time, so I can't really reference this, but this might be my favorite chicken sandwich. I'm not even joking. I know that I say that in every single KFC chicken sandwich video, or every chicken sandwich video, but this is actually really good. This chicken alone is really good, but let me go in with the pickles, some mayonnaise, the chicken, and the bread, and let me get my final verdict here at 12 minutes and 25 seconds. Yeah. No. That right there is the best chicken sandwich I've ever had. Better than the Popeyes, better than the Chick-fil-A, better than the Sam's Club chicken sandwich. That is good. With the mayonnaise, it is so good. With the pickles, those pickles are really, really, really nice. Those pickles are quality right there. And it's not like dripping grease or anything. If you're a big grease bucket or think that, or you're a little, I don't like grease, I don't like grease, I don't like grease. This isn't like dripping grease. So I would say knock yourself out. Go try this right now. I think the bread is like just like a sweet bread, which is really nice. Getting a whole bunch of squeeze and bops actions here going on, but yeah, this is a quality sandwich, and for how much you're paying for it, I would totally buy this. And so, yeah, I would love to give this a 10 out of 10. Seriously. 10 out of 10. And This is all good. This is good. And the fries. Let me tell you, the fries are awesome extra. I would pay just to have these by themselves. And they could charge big bucks for these, and I would still get them. I would say, though, that they do get cold, so I would eat them fast. They would probably be cold right now or they probably wouldn't be here right now if I wasn't doing this food review, but that's how fast I would eat them. But yeah, this burger, or not burger, but this chicken sandwich, 10 out of 10. I'm not even joking. Popeyes, get out of here. Chick-fil-A, get out of here. Those are still good, but this is the best burger. This is the best. This is the. Why does my face look so greasy? My gosh. But yeah, this chicken sandwich, top notch, top quality, top 10, top tier, everything. Let me just dig in here. That's my food review. If you like this video, please like, comment down below. And tell me what to do next. Please make sure to check out my Minecraft videos that are happening. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Sign off. I guess. See ya.